Hello, my name is Jason Reyes Pelaez. I'm going to present the activity 04. He's my son. His name is Emmanuel. He is 5 years old and was born in August 2017. He lives White House in 27th Street, number 761 of Villa del Rosario. He likes to go to the park. He has fun playing in the park because he finds many friends. He likes to take a bath in the pool, and he dislikes when he has to get out of the pool, and he is very sad. Emmanuel gets up at 6 o'clock every day to go to school. He studies until 12 a.m. Emmanuel watches TV after lunch in the afternoon, since he arrives from school. Emmanuel eats hot dog on weekends in the evening after dinner. Emmanuel prays every day before he sleeps. He's very cute. I love him. Thank you very much.